being a homosexual does not affect the human being that you are, the professionalism that you have, the kind of parent you will make. Because what you do in your bedroom has nothing to do with the kind of human being you are. If what you do in your bedroom was such a big issue, then half the number of straight couples should be behind bars today under Article 377.
It's a step in the right direction और मैं personally बहुत खुश हूँ and I think everybody needs equal rights. या तो आप homosexual हो या heterosexual, हमें सब equal rights चाहिए and it's great to have these equal rights for everybody.
I feel very proud to be an Indian today because the Supreme Court has done a very just act by deleting this one section that was we've been fighting since a very long time over, and I look forward to future developments of such progress.
But ministers in the Union Cabinet have also responded to the judgment with a bit of caution. While some supported it, others have said that the issue requires more deliberation.
The government might decide to appeal to the Supreme Court, which they have a right to do, and which I don't necessarily think will be a bad thing, because it is an issue of national and international importance. The other is that the law can be amended based on the understanding of High Court in this judgment. Speaking for myself, I think that would be the most preferable option.
But religious heads have expressed disapproval over the High Court judgment, calling it morally wrong.